Good afternoon, everyone. It is January 17th. This is class number 14. Class number 14. No, sorry, class number 13. January 17th. There are only going to be this class and next week for us to finish practicing before our test on January 31st. That will be your final group conversation test. As I explained to you last week, the structure of the test will be a little bit different. There are some notes here about that, okay? But I already explained this last week. Number one, you'll be set in groups at random. So you won't have a choice about who you're going to be speaking to. You have to be ready to speak to anybody that I assign you to, and you will find out only on the day of the test who those people will be. We'll still be sitting here in the corner. There'll be marked seats that say A, B, C, or D, and I'll watch your interaction. There will be two conversations. Your group can choose the first topic of the conversations, and I will choose the second one. And there will be 10 topics this time, not 5. There will be 10 topics that you will have to be ready to talk about with the people that you are not going to know who they will be until I tell you who they are, okay? And each conversation this time will be 4 minutes long, not 3 minutes, 4 minutes long, okay? It looks right now there will be 7 groups, but that depends on who actually comes to the day of the test. Please make sure that you remember it is January 31st. Please come early so that then we won't have any problems with that. But it looks like there will be 7 groups. 1 or maybe 2 of them will be 3 people in the group, but most of the groups will be 4 people. Okay. Now, as to the topics of the test, I'll show you this right now in class number 14. Here are the topics that we will actually use during the test. We use the first 5, university, work, family, shopping, sports. In the midterm test, we will use those again, okay? And we started working on the other 5, America, TV, marriage, music, high school last week. So those are all topics that are very, I would think, everyday topics, the topics that you would be talking about with a friend that you met a couple of weeks ago and you're getting to know them. What are your opinions on TV? What are your opinions on music? What was your high school life like? Tell me about your university. These are not going to be deep topics, but a deep topic or an everyday topic, it uses the same skills. You have to still be able to look at people in the eye. You still have to have a strong voice. You make your ideas quickly and you try to do the best that you can with the English that you have. Okay. Now for this week, we have a few assignments, not too many though. Your chapter homework, okay, answers are available. You can download those. And your homework submission. This will be the last homework that you have to do for this class. And a reflection, thinking about your goals about English going into whatever you will be doing after this class will be, which will be second year and you'll have some English classes. But what are your goals? What do you want to do with your English after this class is finished? That's what I want to hear and that's what I want you to talk about. Okay, today we're going to start with some shadowing. So you can access this right now on your computers or on your smartphone. The article is right here. This article I particularly like because it's with my friend Ayumi. And Ayumi is Japanese and Chinese. So she was born in China, but she grew up in Japan. So she speaks both languages equally. And she speaks English very, very well. Not because her English is perfect or her English has fantastic grammar. It has good grammar, but it's not yet native, but she speaks fluently, very, very well. And we were talking a little bit about how to use Netflix to study English. So this is what I want you to look at for your shadowing. After that, we'll do a little bit of speaking practice and get you ready to do group conversations with the group conversations for the test, not with, for the test. Okay, thanks very much, everyone. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today.